Ahrens here, and just want to do a little quick video. Quick set Smartkey Padlock. I've already picked this before. Y'all see me pick it. It's on my channel, but I'm messing with it today, and I seen something interesting. Right down in here, let's see. I don't know if anyone's I've never seen anybody fool with this, but there's a little plate with two holes in it, all the way at the back. Now this first hole right here has like a Carter pin sticking up out of it. So I had to take my drill bit and kind of drill it just a little bit, drill that Carter pin down where it'd be below that line of that pin. Then you just take something in this second hole right here and slide that pin, or slide this little metal plate toward the back like that. Slide that plate all the way back and the core comes out. I was amazed. I said, now that's cool. So I did not know the core come out of these. That little plate goes in these little grooves right here. So this is the core out of the quick set padlock. So I thought, I wonder, this was my generation, battery's low, unable to use flash. So okay, so this is my generation 3 quick set that I'd picked. It's on my video too. And the only change I had to make was this clip that was on it. Let me get some light over here since my battery went down. Stuck out over. Focus in there. Alright, it's stuck into that groove. So sticking into that groove, it was hitting that actuator at the back. So I just took a clip, just a C-clip off of one of the other locks that didn't have the pin on there, and perfect fit. Then we take that, I zoom back in where that hole is, slide that plate up, slide that plate back down all the way, right there, plugs in there. So now I turn this and works beautifully. Turn this quick set Smartkey Padlock into a generation 3 core. Just want to share that with y'all. I didn't know if anybody knew about the plate in there and removing the core. I didn't know about it. Just want to share that with you. So now I got a padlock with a generation 3 core in there. If you want to see those other videos, see me pick those other ones, it's on my page. But just sharing that with you. So y'all, thanks for watching. Be legal and God bless.